Hey, what's going on, everyone? Homework 40. Today's objective, I can find unit rates and I can compare and use unit rates to solve problems. So let's get right to that first part of vocabulary. A rate is a ratio of two quantities having different kinds of units. So suppose you text 60 characters in 30 seconds. This can be written as a rate, and the rate is characters over seconds, and it would be 60 characters to 30 seconds, so 60 over 30. A unit rate now is a simplified rate with a denominator of 1. To write a rate as a unit rate, divide the, wow, what am I doing? This is so funny. Divide the numerator and the denominator of the rate by the denominator. So if we take that first example, and we had characters over seconds, if you can type 60 characters in 30 seconds, well, to get the unit rate, I will divide the numerator and the denominator by 30, because that is the value of my denominator. And when I divide it, I get 2 over 1, or saying that you can type 2 characters in 1 second. All right, and that is the unit rate. All right, so we're going to start using these unit rates. First, we're going to find them, and then we're going to use them to solve some problems. Okay, so let's start off with this. So we're going to express each rate as a unit rate, and we're going to round to the nearest tenth if it is necessary. Okay. So let's just start off here. So we have $11 for 4 boxes of cereal. So I like to write my rates out in words first. My rates out in words. So we have $11 for 4 boxes of cereal. So we have dollars over boxes, which is equal to 11 over 4. So let's find out what the unit rate is. And to find the unit rate, I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 4. All right, and what would we end up with? Break out my calculator. 11 divided by 4 is 2.75. And we could round it to the nearest tenth, it said. So we can say 2.8 over 1. So for 1 box of cereal, it's going to be worth about $2.80. About $2.80 per box of cereal. All right. Take a look at B. 400 miles on 14 gallons of gasoline. So we're talking miles per gallon. All right, so we have 400 miles for 14 gallons. Let's see how far we can get on just 1 gallon. All right, let's see how far we can get on 1 gallon. So I'm going to divide the top and bottom by our denominator, which is 14. 400 divided by 14 is 28.57. So we'll say 28.6 over 1, which is going to tell me that I can go 28.6 miles on just 1 gallon of gasoline. That's pretty good. Pretty good MPG right there. A lot of cars nowadays have better miles per gallon than they did in the past. So that's not bad mileage there. Let's keep it going. C. An online music store sells 15 songs for $12. All right, 15 songs for $12. Another online store sells 10 songs for $9. Which online store has the lower cost per song? So lower cost per song. So right there, it's telling us what the ratio is supposed to be. So we're talking cost per song. All right, so I'm going to write that out. So cost per song. All right, so let's make this happen. So that first online music store is $12 for 15 songs. And the second one is, I'll write it out, cost per song. Second one is $9 for 10 songs. Okay. All right, so let's find what the unit rate is going to be. I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 15. Therefore, we get 12 divided by 15, which is 0.8 over 1. For our other one, we're going to divide top and bottom by 10 because that is our denominator. And we will get 0.9 over 1. So they're asking us which online store has a lower cost per song, and it looks like the first one does. So we'll say the first store has a lower cost per song because it's 80 cents a song and the second store is 90 cents a song. All right. Let's keep going. Last one. Typical bottlenose dolphin will take about 34 breaths in 4 hours. How many breaths would a bottlenose dolphin take in 7 hours? Okay, so in order to answer a problem like this, we want to go ahead and find what the unit rate of breaths per hour is going to be. So we're going breaths per hour. So breaths over hours. All right, so originally we have 34 over 4 hours. So let's find out what the unit rate is. How many breaths are they taking in 1 hour? So I will divide top and bottom by 4. So 34 divided by 4 is about 8.5 over 1. So that's for 1 hour. They'll take 8.5 breaths. So let's see how many breaths are they taking in 7 hours. So for me to figure this out, I'm going to take that 8.5 and I'm going to multiply it by 7, which is equal to 59.5. So we can say bottlenose, boot is not right, bottle nose dolphin will take 59.5 breaths in 7 hours. All right, there you have it. Use my models. Take a look at the practice problems. We'll get to working on this on Monday. I'll see you all then.